So Elliot's been drinking pretty much all night. We went to a wedding yesterday and he got a bit heavy. But he's sleeping in my bed, which is not on. I thought to myself, if I get some big hoop earrings, get some super glue to Elliot's nipple, then put some chili on it so he thinks it's fresh and so, Elliot's gonna have a chili nipple. Sorry, bro.
Elliot, calm down! Stop! Recording, alright? Calm down! Elliot, calm down!
What sicko does this? Who touches my nipples?
Elliot, it's not that bad.
Not that bad!
Elliot,
Get
calm down!
out my face!
Right, chill out, Elliot.
I'm sorry, Chucks, I got a date to go to tonight!
Elliot, you're always on dates.
Yes, Ben, because I'm single as a Pringle, okay?
There's no such thing as single as a Pringle, you donkeys like night chips in a tube.
190 chips, 90 girls, okay?
Elliot, what the heck are you doing? Elliot, stop! You're going to hurt yourself.
One way.
Elliot, you're going to cut your own skin.
One way it's going to come off, alright?
Alright.
What do you expect us to do, Ben?
I don't
Come on,
know, Elliot.
What are we going to do?
You! It's your nipples, not mine. Elliot,